Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix battery drain problem on your Honor 600 Lite 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the settings and go over into the battery. So we got it right here. Now what we can do is we can go over and show the battery usage. So we need to scroll down to battery use. Now we're gonna scroll down right here. And of course I selected the period. Now we're gonna click somewhere here. And as you guys can see, the biggest battery usage is on the games for me. So Fortnite and Free Fire Max. And what you guys can do is simply go over, click on them, and make sure that you can manage these settings manually. So make sure to disable auto launch, secondary launch, and make sure to disable the option for the app to run in the background. Now the app will not consume the power in the background, and we can do that for this game right here too, even though it does not seem like it is running in the background because we can see that it's less than 1 milliampere hour. We're gonna still disable it to make sure that it is not launching the first or the second launch. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and scroll down to the control center. Now here what we can do is we can make it a bit bigger, and here we want to make sure that there's nothing that can take our battery enabled. So for example, if we do not use the location, disable it, now it's enabled and now it is disabled. So here click close and now the location is disabled. What we want to do next is we want to go over and reduce our brightness. So go to the display and brightness settings. Now we got the brightness right here, and we can simply grab it and scroll it like this. So now it is too dark for the video, but you guys definitely get my point. Just make it lower and make sure to disable automatic brightness if you're doing so, because as you guys can see, it will just increase the brightness and we definitely do not want it. So after changing the brightness, what you guys want to do is go over and go to the battery again. Here we're going to go to battery optimization and we want to click optimize. So now the apps are not running in the background. And here what else can we do is we can go over, we can make sure that we enable power consumption alert, and then we will be able to basically check if our battery is getting drained. Of course, the safe charging and smart battery capacity, and here you got the system optimization, so make sure it says optimized here, and here you got stay connected while asleep. So you want to keep your Wi-Fi active after the screen turns off, so make sure that you enable it. And now the last thing is power saving mode settings. So here you guys can copy my settings. These settings are very good. It will automatically enable power saving mode at 20%, and it will disable it at 90%. So whenever we're charging our phone and it's charged to 90%, it will disable power saving mode. And of course the optimization options at the bottom to reduce the screen refresh rate from 120 to 60, and dark mode. So whenever we open up the power saving mode, our phone will simply switch to dark mode to save the battery. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.